Hi my friends! Today we are not modeling any parts or assemblies, but rather clarifying a few aspects that should interest you. From your comments, I often find that you fail to use my lessons with full understanding. You have over 650 tutorials available and are having difficulty using them. I'm really happy to teach you how to use the variety of these lessons intelligently. Basically, the most important aspect is to understand and effectively use the Excel file called general index table.xls. It costs nothing and helps you navigate through the multitude of tutorials available. At the end of the description in any tutorial, you will find the link Fast Group Tutorials as you see here. However, to clarify things better, here is the procedure for accessing the Excel file. All you have to do is type fastgroup.raw into Google. Enter. You find me, and you have to go to tutorials. Here you find the general index table XLS. Click on it and you have the Excel file. Here you will find all the data regarding the tutorials. As you can see, you have a large number of tutorials available, each with all the data associated with it, the date of creation, the name, and the link through which you can access the tutorial. Going down and down and down, and below you will find this useful legend. Before continuing, you should know that the table above is constantly growing and you must download it every time you want to review it. Let's see how we use this legend. Here we have the abbreviations for each category of tutorials. For instance, you see dynamic simulation is abbreviated as DS. Learn is abbreviated as LRN. If we want to find all these 30 tutorials of this category, we have to use this procedure. Control F, then right here LRN, taking care to respect the uppercase and lowercase as seen here, and then activate these two boxes, check and check. Let's apply this procedure. Control F, LRN, then match case, match entire cell contents, find all. Now we have here all that 30 tutorials concerning with the learning. This is the first. You see here mark. If you go to the next, this is the other with LRN, and so on. This one, let's select this one. We have here the common perpendicular tutorial. Having this and knowing that this is about geometry, you can select the link. Knowing all these relatively simple procedures, I hope you will be able to more easily choose the tutorials you are interested in. I wish you success, and I hope you will tell me through your comments if this tutorial was useful. What I have presented so far has been absolutely free. If you want more than that, you have to pay a small amount of money, and you will get perks to learn more about how to use Inventor. Now let's see what perks means. Core gives you access to big poster, which you can physically obtain through a printing house. Journeyman provides resources for completing parts when creating assemblies. Patron serves to mention your name at the end of each tutorial. Professional gives you the opportunity to own and use all the technical drawings of the tutorials. It's important to learn that each level includes all the previous levels. Let's break down each perk for those interested in knowing more. The core gives you the opportunity to obtain and keep the poster, but also the possibility to receive the release of new tutorials 3 days earlier. The poster now contains 638 images, but is updated every few dozen new tutorials. The Journeyman perk offers you the assets for completing your models. When you are trying to create a dynamic simulation, for example, you're referring to an assembly. That assembly can contain multiple components. Journeyman perk helps you, in this case, by giving you all the components. Let's see an example. This is an assembly with a lot of parts. You see them right here in the browser. This assembly is presented in the tutorial Inventor 156. You can easily see that there are a number of components there, each one with its position. You can get all the components simply by applying Join and selecting the Journeyman perk. By selecting Patron perk, your name will appear at the end of all tutorials published during your membership. This is the actual list of the patrons and professionals. Using Professional perk, you can get on your computer the over 450 technical drawings that accompany the models in the tutorials, from the simplest to the most complicated, as seen in this image, my friends. New models are constantly appearing, and you will be able to get them as long as you are a member of my subscription or membership. How can I become a member? The procedure is very simple. Pay attention to the following sequences. In the description below the screen, you will find the Join option. You will then select a perk between Core and Professional. You will see the monthly payment amounts for each perk. The Romanian currency is RON, but next to it are the values in euros. You must keep in mind that regardless of the date you applied for membership, you will have a whole month to benefit from the conditions offered. even if you leave membership before 1 month. It is important to know that there are countries where the join option does not appear in the description due to the monetary rules of those countries.